Is that ghost riding the whip in my driveway? What's up, everyone? I promise you I am not beating the dead horse here, but the last time I made a video of me trying to get my cars up my sort of a small incline of a driveway, I got a lot of positive feedback, but I also got a lot of people telling me that I did things wrong. Oh, you should have put the car in second gear, you should have kept the traction control on, you should have reversed, you should have put on different tires. Well, today we're going to address every single one of those points, well, maybe except putting on new tires, because I'm going to show you that these tires are absolutely fine. And we're going to try to get up that hill once again. But this time we're going to be smart about it, and we're going to put the rescue vehicle up top first, just in case the M3 gets stuck. Oh, and by the way, in case you're curious, it is still snowing outside, but we got about, holy moly, almost 4 inches of snow. Okay, so getting in the Tesla first. Let's start with a proper wake up. All right, now we can go. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. So 4 inches of snow. And by the way, in case you don't follow my channel, I am riding on all-season tires. 285 in the back, 265 in the front, but since we have all-wheel drive and the car is really heavy, we shouldn't have an issue. So let's see. And just for you, I am leaving traction control on. So let's see, 4 inches of snow. Look, I'm driving actually very slowly, so I don't have any momentum built up. This is looking pretty good. I mean, look at this. No issue, no wheel spin. This is absolutely incredible. Now, a lot of you will say, you know what? Yes, the car is heavy and all that stuff, but still, you have to have a pretty good all-wheel drive system to be able to navigate through this, 4 inches of snow. But anyways, let's repeat the hill test. Okay, so we are stuck on a hill. You ready for that? Stuck on a hill. Traction control is on. Let's see. No issue whatsoever. So Tesla doesn't struggle at all with 4 inches of snow on an incline. It is absolutely a monster of a car. But you know what? Let's see how the BMW fares now. And check it, these are the tracks that the Tesla left. And look how deep they are. This is 4 inches of snow. You can see there was a struggle for traction here. You can see these little steps, but overall, and look, it even was scraping. So the bottom of the Tesla was scraping. That's how deep the snow is. But it still got up through this driveway, which is very, very impressive. And now that the rescue vehicle is waiting for us up there, let's tackle the M3. But before we do that, let me show you the tires once again. So the tires are 255, 35, 19. And as you can tell, there's plenty of thread left. It's kind of hard for me to get in there, but I promise you, there's plenty of, by the way, not thread. I'm a foreigner. A lot of you commented on that as well. Tread. See, I learned something new. Tread. A lot of tread left. Okay. Let's back up out of this spot. I gotta make a couple of broken U-turns here.
Starting regular recording.
Well, let's just hope I don't get stuck in my driveway, because that'll be pretty embarrassing. But look here, as you can tell, on the straight, the car has plenty of traction. The wheels are not spinning. Okay, maybe the difference is also the snow. What I'm gonna do first is I'm still gonna take the traction control off, just to do it my way first. So let's see, and then we're gonna try all the other ways. So I suspect that as we sort of get going, the car will, nope. Okay, so we are getting stuck. As you can see, we're getting stuck. There's no denying. You know what? Let's reposition the camera, let's reposition the car, and let's start doing all the scientific testing. So test number one, you should have left the traction control fully on. So let's do this. Traction control fully on. We're gonna put the car in first gear and let's get going. As you can tell, the traction control is on because I'm getting the light, and I'm so confident that the car is not gonna move that I'm actually gonna leave the vehicle. Look, the car is in gear, the wheel is spinning, and I'm outside of the car. Is that ghost riding the whip in my driveway? I think so, but yeah, the car is not moving, the car is not budging, which means this myth is unfortunately busted. A lot of you also told me that I should have started in second gear. So you know what? Without any further ado, let's do that. Check this out. Second gear. Starting in second gear. Okay. I am in second gear right now. As you can see, I'm in second gear. Is anything happening? I don't think so. And again, don't do this at home, kids, but I'm so confident in the fact that the car is so stuck. I mean, okay, I thought it was running away from me. So yeah, second gear, it is stuck. Look, the wheels are spinning. I can sit here all day. Before we try the third and last myth of me flipping the car around, let me do it my way and take the traction control fully off. And let's get some momentum going. Let's see, will that work? Nope. Nope, that will not work at all. A lot of you also said, oh, you're probably too hard on the gas. Nope, look, I'm not even pressing the gas. Just like in the Tesla. One thing also I do have to point out that my driveway is sealed, which I know is contributing to the fact that it's slippery. But again, all things being equal, Tesla did it with no issue. I stopped on the hill, I was able to move forward with no issue. This car, and let's not forget, the front wheel drive Tucson, the last time we did it, was able to do this. Anyways, let's flip the car around, let's try it in reverse. I mean, I feel funny even trying it because I know it'll not work, but I know a lot of you would be very mad if I didn't try this approach. What is the best way to turn around in my driveway and not get stuck? Let's see. Could I whip a donut in my driveway? Let's see. Okay, now I'm stuck in the flat. There you go, donut. Okay. Okay, cameras are rolling. I'm going back in reverse. Traction control is on. Let's see. Can I get up this hill in reverse? Oh my God, I can't believe this. What? Oh my gosh. This is insane. I completely and absolutely did not expect that. Holy moly. How crazy is that? This is so unexpected. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. So let's, before we get the car down the hill, check this out. This is, these are the tracks. Once I was able to sort of gain some traction, the car pulled me fine in reverse. And look, the beauty of these winter tires is the way they work is they pack snow in the tread, and then snow on snow gives you a lot of traction, which is why they were able to provide me with traction. But it is so incredible that I was able to reverse up this hill. I can't believe this. This is unbelievable. All right, we're gonna have to repeat this test again, and check this out. The car is so low that it's actually scraping all the way through, but I was able to still get up. Okay, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. Whoa, seriously, I did not expect this result at all. This is just crazy. Kudos to you people who watch and comment on my videos, because seriously, I completely did not expect it. Let's try this again. Let's do some additional testing. So traction control is on still, and we are reversing. Look, we're reversing with no issue. This is insane. It is so insane. My mind has been blown. Seriously. Thank you to everyone who suggested this this approach. I mean, this is incredible. It's absolutely incredible. But let's see if the same approach works when you're stuck on the hill and you want to get going. So let's see. We're stuck on a hill. I want to do it in reverse. But let's think about it. When would we actually get stuck on a hill in reverse? If you're going in reverse, that means you go in full throttle and you have your momentum. So this thing would never happen. But let's just see if it would happen. Or let's see what would happen. There we go. So once we get wheel spin, it is no go for this approach. But once you get the momentum going, check this out. So we got some momentum. You see? See, it was still, I suspect, it was still all about momentum. Let's try it again. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay. All right. So going in reverse requires just a bit of momentum, but it looks like this myth has been confirmed. And look how slippery it is. I'm gonna hit the brakes. It is pretty slippery, you see? The car is sliding. So this goes to show you that even though I oftentimes think I'm right, sometimes I can be wrong. So thank you to those of you who pushed me into trying new things. I mean, I learned something new just now. If I ever get stuck in the snow and I can't go forward, I will try to do it in reverse. But you know what? One last time, we're gonna flip the car around. We're gonna go forward to see if anything has changed. In the name of science, of course. I just whipped a nice donut in my driveway. Science! Here we come, science! Science! Science is failing us again, and it's driving us to the curb, which is something we don't want to do. I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna conclude this here because I have to say that I was wrong and you were right. Reversing the car has proven to be the best approach to get the car up on this hill, and now you know. So I hope this yet another geeky video was useful for whatever reason, and thank you very much for watching. If you like it, consider giving me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. I mean, bye bye.